What?
Lick yourself. That's not funny.
Wait.
No.
Now take a look.
And there's like... Where's it gone?
He's taking his collar away.
You've got the collar, have you? Oh, look how he puts his mouth like he's got something. Pick him up and bring him back here. Oh,
He's coming
no.
back anyway.
He brings the collar back.
What is on him?
It's so cute.
Oh!
Oh!
Wait.
It's annoying him so bad. Bam! He's trying to get it off. I think leave it. It's fun.
Yeah.
It'll entertain him for hours.
That's
He won't even
true.
have to do anything.
Yes, scratch those. Please away.
Huh?
Good.
He doesn't have fleas yet.
He's trying to take it away and put it down.
Yeah, he thinks he's putting it there, but it's like, it doesn't work. He's like, see, he's trying to keep it there. But it's following him.
It's like, no, stay.
Yeah, look, he's like, stay.
Stay, goddammit.
Oh my god, he's doing that. He's like,
He's a smart cat.
he's like, stay. He's like, why are you laughing at me? Why are you laughing at me?
He'll do
I'm
it.
going to lick myself.
Come get it. Get it. Wait, no.
You know, he's like, ooh, now I have to pull that apart.
Look, this is my little brother.
I'm gonna go like, ready?
Lauren.
What?
Lauren.
No.
Lauren. This
Lauren.
is my little brother.
Oh, yeah, I've seen him. He's so cute.
Look at this one. We're playing Super.
Oh, you got my hand. You got my finger.
Mm.
You go, ready?